First tonight, it was 1 year ago today. The first presumptive COVID-19 cases were announced.
Since then, our state has seen more than 1.9 million confirmed cases of the coronavirus. But progress is being made to quickly get a COVID-19 vaccine into the arms of Floridians. As of today, the number of people who have received at least one dose of a vaccine has now surpassed 3 million.
In fact, members of the South Florida healthcare community, they joined Congresswoman Lois Frankel today. They took part in this virtual roundtable discussion on how COVID-19 is affecting our communities of color.
WPTV News Channel 5's Chris Gilmore listening on the issues and the possible solutions.
At 121,000 COVID-19 cases reported in Palm Beach County, it's safe for many on today's Zoom call to say the coronavirus is a problem. Dr. Katunga Camino says especially for people of color who account for a large portion of the stats.
If you double COVID on top of your diabetes, on top of your uncontrolled hypertension, on top of your kidney disease, that's when we saw a lot of these people ending up in the hospital suffering more with higher complications.
Additionally, Dr. Katunga Camino says black people make up 18% of the more than 2,400 COVID deaths in Palm Beach County. Camino is one of several healthcare professionals to join Congresswoman Lois Frankel to address the glaring differences when it comes to caseload and attitudes towards vaccination.
It's not just enough to distribute it, we have to equitably distribute it. And so that is what we have been making sure that we do, that we get into our communities. We know very well. We don't need to do any studies or any research.
Palm Beach County Health Director Dr. Alina Alonso says supplies of COVID-19 vaccinations continue to be an issue, but even when it's not in some minority communities, trust is.
The issue of trust always comes up, whether it's undocumented or people of faith that just have different belief systems.
Dr. Lorena Bonilla says in other areas, the issue has been addressed with people of similar backgrounds going out in the community to educate.
There are programs in Colorado where they use promotoras de salud. So they have this title, and they're women from the community who are paid to offer education. These could be college students who can be instructed to offer vaccine education.
The announcement of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine gaining FDA emergency use authorization leave many minority groups in Palm Beach County hoping for some relief after heavy blows to their community. In West Palm Beach, Chris Gilmore, WPTV News Channel 5.
For updates